wanna dance like David. I want a faith like Paul.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara Lonje, and today I am serving Sodri, honey. Look at this. So if you want to see how I got this look, you might want to stick around. And please, I am begging you, subscribe. Different kinds of hairstyles. I'm just here to show you how you can, the different ways you can do your hair and still keep it cute, keep it simple, and you put it on and you go. I'm here for that. If you're for that as well, stick around because we're about to have fun.
I want a faith like Paul. I wanna sing like Silas, tearing down a prison wall.
Okay. So first of all, I'm starting off with a spray of water. I always start with moisturizing my hair because I wanna keep it soft and avoid a lot of breakage. So yeah, I'm going to, and now I'm just like comb it down a little bit. And you guys, my hair has heat damage, in case you're wondering, but it's actually natural hair, but it actually has heat damage. So yeah,
I'm gonna praise. I praise the heavens seated, undefeated, highest of names. That's who I praise. That's who I praise. That's who I praise.
but the funny thing is I actually found my hair to be very manageable when it got heat damaged. That's the the so not unexpected part. But I embraced my hair just like this. I don't mind it like this, but I don't think I'll be using any more heat on my hair. So the method I'm using is very easy, and I don't claim to be any pro at this, but this is how I do it. This is how I do my hair. When I put it in a ribbon, I find it easier to manage and to put the gel. So yeah, I'll just start putting the gel now. This takes a bit of some time.
Judah, he is the lamb that was slain, the only one who's worthy of all of his names. That's who I praise. He is the risen Messiah, he is the ancient of days, the only one who's worthy of all of his names. That's who I praise.
Again, I don't like to use too much gel on my hair. I try to minimize the amount of gel I can use as much as possible. I think if I had a choice, if I would do this hairstyle without gel, like if there was any other way, I would do it. But because I like this laid back look, that's what I'm trying to go for. That's why I have to use gel. Otherwise, I would not use it at all.
I wanna love like Jesus, that kind of grace. I wanna live like I've got no more precious time to waste. I'm gonna give him glory with all my thanks, 'cause there's no greater, stronger, higher name than that's who I praise. I wanna dance like David. I want a faith like Paul. I wanna sing like Silas, tearing down the prison walls. I wanna face that fire, it won't burn me though. God's got my back, Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. I wanna walk like Moses, right through the waves. One day I'll see that promised land, no longer slaves. Though the fear is talking, no, it can't take out my faith. I'm gonna pray. mountain moving, body raising, breaker of chains. Gonna praise, I'm gonna praise. I praise the heaven seated, undefeated, highest of names. That's who I praise. That's who I praise. That's who I praise. I wanna give like Mary, I wanna break my vase. I wanna sleep like Daniel, even in a lion's cave. I'm gonna get that promise, just like Jericho. Yeah, I know I don't make it fall. I'm gonna praise, I'm gonna praise. I praise the mountain moving, body raising, breaker of chains. Gonna praise, I'm gonna praise. I praise the heaven seated, undefeated, highest of names. That's who I praise. Hey, I praise the God who's proven He can do impossible things. That's who I praise. Hey, that's who I praise. That's who I praise. He is the Lion of Judah, He is the Lamb that was slain, the only one who's worthy, worthy, worthy of all of His names. That's who I praise. He is the risen Messiah, He is the Ancient of Days, the only one who's worthy, worthy, worthy of all of His names. That's who I praise. So I'm gonna praise. I praise the mountain moving, body raising, breaker of chains. Gonna praise, I'm gonna praise. I praise the heaven seated, undefeated, highest of names. That's who I praise. Hey, I praise the God who's proven He can do impossible things. That's who I praise. Hey, that's who I praise. That's who I praise. That's who I praise. I wanna love like Jesus,